You can have beautiful slim thighs using advanced science. It's a formulation that's been used for years, and previously you had to go to professionals to get it. The formulation is Reductanol, a powerful fat-shrinking agent with liposomes, and now Reductanol is available in Lovely Legs Cream. Liposomes are microscopic capsules that penetrate your skin's natural barrier. Each liposome contains powerful fat-shrinking Reductanol. When you apply Lovely Legs to your skin, millions of liposomes cross your skin barrier. Once inside, the liposomes release their Reductanol, and your fat cells absorb it. This causes them to shrink. Anyone can go from thighs like this to thighs like this. Just apply Lovely Legs Cream twice a day. Apply it evenly, then massage it in for about a minute. It's not greasy and has no scent. If you desire more shapely legs, visit lovelylegs.com today. Lovely Legs products are not available in stores. Beautiful legs begin with Lovely Legs Cream.